Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to discuss about continuation of concept from chapter number 5. So especially we have planned to discuss the true concept. First one named Ellipse, second one named Hyperbola. Okay, I'm moving to Ellipse. So what is the basic term of Ellipse? SP divided by PM is equal to E. The condition E always greater than 0 and less than 1, that is called ellipse. If you take example, so equation of ellipse in standard form with vertex 0, 0 means with vertex 0, 0. So how to draw the diagram? Outside point, that is what is the name? Outside of the point, fixed line. Fixed line means that is called M. So now this is actually moving point. This is considered for fixed point. Fixed point means always we know focus. Focus means what is the meaning? AE, 0. Then this is S means opposite side considered for S dash means negative AE, 0. So now this is called A means this is called A dash. So A considered for A, 0. A dash means negative A, 0. Then if you draw one perpendicular bisector means this is considered for C means center always the 0, 0. Now this is called M, then A dash, then the main condition actually, so A to length of lattice rectangle, that is called A to A dash. A to A dash, the length considered for A dash true A means simply we can say means CA is equal to CA dash. CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A. Then only opposite side A means this is length. Another one side A means A plus A is equal to length of lattice. That is what is the meaning? True A will come. So now how to divide the true part? The condition SA divided by A Z. This is actually, look at there. From center C to A. C to A means this is actually we know this is called Z. Okay. This is point Z dash means what will happen? Look at there. Z points we have to find out what the point will come. Okay. Center C to S to A for point A internally out as well as opposite side S to A dash point of A Z means externally point. So SA divided by A Z is equal to E ratio, that is called E is to 1 means E divided by 1, as well as second point SA dash divided by A dash Z is equal to again E is to 1, that is called E divided by 1. If you do the first condition SA divided by A Z is equal to E means cross multiply, what will happen? SA is equal to E into A Z. Therefore, SA means what is the meaning? SA, CA minus CS, isn't it? So, CA minus CS is equal to E common outside. Then AZ means what will happen? AZ means CZ minus CA. CZ minus CA. Therefore, already we know distance CA means what is the meaning? A point A, 0. Therefore, we can take CA means that is called A minus CS as it is. Now, is equal to E outside, then CZ as it is minus CA means that is called A. This is considered for equation number 1 means second term SA dash, that is externally opposite side. SA dash divided by A dash Z is equal to E means again cross multiply SA dash is equal to E into E dash A dash Z. Now outside SA dash means S to A dash. S to A dash means from center of the point CS, isn't it? So CS plus CA dash, isn't it? CS plus CA dash is equal to outside actually C A dash plus C Z. Because look at there, A dash Z. This is called A dash Z. This is opposite. So from starting with the center means both the side consider for plus, isn't it? So one side also C to Z, another one side also from C onwards. That's why I have taken for the positive sign. Now look at there, C A dash already we know negative, isn't it? So negative also we have to consider for positive. Therefore C S plus A is equal to again A plus C Z. This is considered for equation number 2. Therefore add equation 1 and true. Add equation 1 and true. What will happen? Add equation 1 and equation 2. Add it now. Equation 1 A minus CS plus CS plus A is equal to opposite side E common, then CZ minus A there. Sorry my dear, this is E will come now, is equal to E. Here also E will come. Now CZ minus A, then here A plus CZ. So minus CS plus CS, here minus A plus A cancel, A plus A is equal to true A, outside common E, CZ plus CZ means true CZ, again 2 cancel, therefore A is equal to E into CZ, therefore CZ means we can write it A by E. This is of the point, fixed line the Z means what is the meaning? A by E comma Y, okay. Now subtract, add is over, subtract equation 2 minus 1. Subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. What will happen? Equation 2 minus equation 1 means equation 2 CS plus A, then minus A plus CZ is equal to E outside, then equation 2 A plus CZ minus CZ plus A. Here plus CZ minus CZ plus A minus A. Therefore, true, this is yes, isn't it? This is yes, isn't it? Yeah. Yes. So, true CS is equal to, there E common, inside true A will come. Again 2 cancel. Therefore, CS means focus, that is called A. See? Focus A comma 0. This is I proved, okay. So this is of the important point. Now I am moving through how to derive basic term, general term of ellipse, okay. So moving to general term of ellipse, the basic form SP divided by PM is equal to E. If you take cross multiply means SP is equal to E into PM. So squaring on both sides means what will happen? SP square is equal to E square into PM square. First we have to find out distance between. Already we know P. This is called actually moving point. Consider for P of x comma y. Therefore the point P x comma y. Then S means focus. Focus means AE comma 0. Then M means what is the meaning? Just now we found A by E comma y. So now no need the diagram. So now SP, distance formula, SP means x minus AE the whole square, then plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to E square as it is, then PM, distance formula, P to M means x minus A by E the whole square plus y minus y the whole square. Again A minus B the whole square form, A square minus 2AB plus B square, isn't it? So now x square minus 2AEX plus A square and E square plus y minus 0 means only y square will come. Then E square outside, again A minus B means x square minus true x into a by e plus a square divided by e square. Second time y minus y means 0 will come. So now left hand side as it is, x square minus true aex plus a square e square plus y square is equal to, each and every time into e square means e square x square. Then second term e square is there, e cancel means only negative true aex. Next term e square cancel means only a square will come. So minus true ax minus true aex cancel, remaining x square plus a square e square plus y square is equal to e square x square plus a square. Plus e square x square bring at opposite side means minus e square x square, then plus y square, right hand side a square is there, plus a square e square bring at opposite side means negative a square e square. Again x square take common outside means 1 minus e square plus y square is equal to, again a square take common outside means 1 minus e square. Now each and every time divided by 1 minus e square means what will happen? Divided by 1 minus e square means x square plus y square divided by 1 minus e square is equal to, opposite side only a square will come. Next step also divided by a square means what will happen? X square by a square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square. Again a square divided by a square means value will be 1. Therefore general term of ellipse, what will happen? The main condition, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where b square means what is the meaning? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Therefore b square is equal to a square minus a square into e square. Therefore b square is equal to a square minus c square, where c square means what is the meaning? C square is equal to a square into e square. This is the general term of ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, I will continue the definition 5.4. Okay, definition 5.4. What is the general term of ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Condition always a greater than b, isn't it? So now a length of major axis in x axis. What is the main point? Length of major axis in x axis. Okay, the x axis means the same condition already we have drawn, no? So this is actually x and y point means this is considered for a to a dash. This is called b, and b dash means here definitely we can write it 0 comma b means this is considered for 0 comma minus b. So a means, so x axis. So x axis means always a comma 0, isn't it? This is called a comma 0. This is minus a comma 0. Then focus s, and s dash means this is negative ae comma 0. This is positive ae comma 0. Okay, so outside already we know that is called direct trace point, isn't it? The direct trace that is considered for, this is z means this is what is the name? Z dash. So z means x is equal to positive a by e means negative side, x is equal to negative a by e. Okay, this is negative a by e. So now length of major axis means, so length of major axis is equal to true a, as well as semi length of major axis. This is half of the point. So semi length major axis, that is called half of the true a. Now minor axis, the length of minor axis means true b will come. That is actually length of major axis considered for a dash means, as well as length of length of minor axis means B dash in y axis. Therefore, so B dash is equal to how much? True B, as well as semi minor axis. So semi minor axis is equal to half of the true B, that is called B only. Now semi minor axis, then next point actually the focus means already we know foci, that is called focus means S, and this is S, and S dash means this is AE comma 0, this is considered for negative AE comma 0. Then next important point actually foci is also over. Then directories. So directories, x is equal to positive side positive A by E, as well as negative side negative A by E. Now this is actually length of major axis in x axis, as well as length of major axis in y axis means what will happen? Length of minor axis in y axis. So just reverse diagram. Reverse diagram means this is called x and this is called y, means just reverse order will come. Point also, this is A means this is called A dash, this is B means this is called B dash. But actually axis of the point actually here y value will be number term, x value will be 0. 0 means this is called 0 comma A, this is considered for 0 comma minus A. B means definitely what is the meaning? This is actually x term means B comma 0, here negative B comma 0. So focus of the point, this is S, and S dash means this is considered for 0 comma AE as well as 0 comma minus AE. So center of the point always 0 comma 0. This is length of minor axis in y axis. Okay. So now I am moving to the basic form. Basic form means eccentricity. How to find out eccentricity? One of the important 2 more question. Okay. Sometimes the general term of the ellipse to become true, x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. When you have to write this is b square, always here also the value, so a greater than b. The condition sometimes denominator value greater than x square. So greater than x square means we have to write it x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. As well as the value always greater than a square means we can write it x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then how to find out the eccentricity? Already we know the condition, b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, isn't it? Now so whole term interchange means a square into 1 minus e square is equal to b square. Therefore 1 minus e square is equal to, we can write it b square by a square. Again plus 1 bring it opposite side means minus e square is equal to minus 1 plus b square divided by a square. Therefore each and every time divided by minus means what will happen? Positive e square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. Then how to find out the eccentricity? E is equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a square. Important 2 more question. Okay. So possible question, this eccentricity how to find it. Okay. This is the whole term, this is the whole step for ellipse. Okay. I will continue equation of hyperbola. Be stay on the line. So moving to how to find out equation of hyperbola. So the main condition in ellipse we know what is the general term of ellipse, x square by a square plus will come. But here only simple x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. The condition also always a greater than b. Okay. Now moving to drawing the hyperbola diagram. This is considered for x axis means this is y axis. This is hyperbola means this is vertex A and A dash means this is focus S and S dash. S means definitely we know AE comma 0. S dash means negative AE comma 0. Then A means you can write it A comma 0 as well as A dash means negative A comma 0. Now but in ellipse we have drawn directories outside, but here we have to draw directories line inside of the line. Okay, inside means it's a dot space. Okay, so this is actually Z and Z dash. Okay, center already we know, point always 0 comma 0, origin point. Okay, now the main condition, CZ is equal to A means CZ dash is equal to A. Then only we can say transfer length, that is the total transfer length is equal to transfer length. Okay, is equal to 2A will come. Okay, the main condition, SA divided by AZ is equal to E is to 1 means E ratio 1, E divided by 1, as well as SA dash divided by A dash Z is equal to E by 1. Again, owing to first condition means SA divided by AZ is equal to E means SA is equal to E into AZ. Therefore, SA means how to find out CS minus CA, isn't it? So, SA. So, CS minus CA is equal to AZ means AZ, CA minus CZ, isn't it? CA minus CZ. Now, already we know this is A, okay, capital A. Therefore, CS minus A is equal to E into A minus CZ. This is considered for equation number 1. Now, look at there. So, equation number 1 means, now second condition, SA dash, isn't it? SA dash divided by A dash Z is equal to, so SA dash divided by A dash Z is equal to, what is the meaning? SA dash divided by A dash Z is equal to, again E means, then cross multiply. Cross multiply means SA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. Again the same condition but opposite side. SA dash. So SA dash means CS plus CA dash is equal to E common, again CA plus CZ. Therefore, already we know CA dash means the distance we know CS plus A is equal to E into A plus CZ. This is considered for equation number 2. Again, add equation 1 and 2 means, add equation 1 and equation 2 means what will happen? Equation 1 CS minus A, equation 2 plus CS plus A is equal to E common, equation number 1 A minus CZ plus A plus CZ. Again minus A plus A cancel, therefore 2 CS is equal to minus CZ plus CZ cancel means 2A will come. Again 2 cancel means CS is equal to AA. This is considered for focus. Already we know S means the focus of the point A, 0. As well as subtract the value. Subtract equation 1 minus 2. What will happen? Subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. So, equation 1 minus equation 2 means equation 1 CS minus A, equation 2 means minus CS minus A is equal to E common outside, equation 1 A minus CZ minus A minus CZ. Look at there, plus A minus A cancel, then plus CS minus CS cancel, then minus 2A is equal to E into minus 2Z. Again minus 2 cancel, therefore A is equal to E into CZ. Therefore, CZ is equal to A by E. This is already the direct trace point, isn't it? So, this is actually direct trace point A by E comma Y. Okay. Now, I am moving to find out the equation of general term. Okay. Equation of general term means the main condition What is the main condition? So SP divided by PM is equal to E means SP is equal to E into PM. So squaring on both sides means SP square is equal to E square into PM square. The condition already we know. If you draw the eccentricity point, this is point of the value x comma y. Therefore, P we can consider x comma y. Foci of the point consider for AE comma 0. Then eccentricity M means what is the meaning? A by E comma y. Therefore, distance between S to P means x minus AE the whole square plus y minus 0. So, y minus 0 the whole square is equal to again E square as it is. Inside PM square means x minus A by E the whole square. Then minus of y minus y the whole square. This is we can cancel it. Again A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So, we can write it x square minus 2AEX plus A square E square plus y square is equal to E square as it is inside again x square minus 2A by E into x plus A square divided by E square. Second term y minus y, we can cancel it. Then next step, left hand side as it is x square minus 2AEX plus A square E square plus y square is equal to each and every term into E square means E square x square. Again second term E square E cancel means only negative 2AEX. Next one E square cancel means only A square will come. So minus 2AEX minus 2AEX cancel, remaining x square plus A square E square plus y square is equal to opposite side E square x square plus A square. Now E square x square bring out opposite side means minus E square x square then plus y square is equal to opposite side A square is there. Again plus A square E square bring out opposite side means minus E square minus A square E square. Again x square take common outside means 1 minus E square plus y square is equal to A square take common outside means 1 minus E square. So, look at there each and every term divided by A square into 1 minus, this is called divided by, okay, divided by means A square into 1 minus E square means we can write it x square by A square then plus y square divided by A square into 1 minus E square. Opposite side only 1 will come because A square into 1 minus E square divided by A square into 1 minus E square means we can cancel. Therefore, the main condition after deriving the last term, what is the last term? X square by A square plus y square divided by A square into 1 minus E square is equal to 1. So, this is whole term considered for B square means x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1 means where B square means B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Now, already we know the main condition equation of hyperbola minus will come. How to derive? The condition always E greater than 1. Whenever you meet the third condition eccentricity E always greater than 1 means that is called hyperbola. If you take example 1 minus E square is there, if you take it, this is whole term is equal to B square is equal to what is the value? A square into 1 minus E square is there. Therefore, B is equal, definitely we can write it square root. Square root means more than 1. More than 1 means if for example 2 is there, 2 square means 4 will come. 1 minus 4 means definitely square root of minus 3 will come. So, definitely it's not the real value, only imaginary. That's why just I modify The second line modify means this is, we can consider x square by, this is not a correct form, okay. Actually just to modify it, x square by a square minus y square divided by a square into e square minus 1. So e square minus 1 means we can say e greater than 1. If you take square root of the value means definitely more than 1. If for example 2 square means 4 will come. 4 minus 1 means 3. It's a real value function, okay. Therefore this is equal to 1 means we can write it x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, where so b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Okay, this is one of the condition. So we proved also equation of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now some important points, the transfer axis along with the x axis. Transfer axis along with the x axis means the length of major axis, the length of major axis equal to 2a, as well as the conjugate axis. Conjugate means y will come. So y axis means, so conjugate axis is equal to 2b will come. How to draw transfer axis along with y axis means, look at there. So this is 4k means definitely x point will be 0, that is 0 comma ae means this is s dash means 0 comma negative ae, as well as this is vertex of a point a, this is a dash means this is considered for 0 comma a means this is called 0 comma minus a, this is center 0 comma 0, this is called transfer axis along with y, okay. Then another important 2 points, first points, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is equal to 2b square by a. Then how to find out the eccentricity? So eccentricity in ellipse already we know what is the meaning, b is equal to square root of 1 plus b square by a square. But here we can check it. What is the meaning, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Therefore, b square is equal to a square into e square minus a square. Then whole term interchange means a square e square minus a square is equal to b square means what will happen? So a square e square divided is equal to minus a square, bring out opposite sign mean we can write it a square plus b square will come, isn't it? A square plus b square. Therefore, e square is equal to a square by a square plus b square by a square, isn't it? Now, therefore, sorry, e, no, this is e, therefore e is equal to square root of 1 plus b square by a square, isn't it? This is, but ellipse there is minus, but here hyperbola called plus, that is a difference, okay. So please listen, my dear students, I hope you have satisfied one of the important 2 concepts. First one ellipse, second one hyperbola, okay. I will continuation of concept, okay. Example 5.15, find the length of latus rectum of the ellipse. Already I told you when I discuss about the basic concept in hyperbola, find the length of latus rectum, what is the meaning? 2b square by a. I will prove it. Listen very carefully. The condition, first we have to draw the ellipse diagram. This is considered for x mean this is y. So ellipse diagram means this is foci of the point. This is what is the meaning, AE comma 0 means This is negative AE comma 0. So this is consider for L and L dash means this is what is the meaning, depends upon y axis means consider for AE comma y1. First we have to find out AE comma y1. So what we have to do, substitute L base AE comma y1 in ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Already we know what is the meaning of b square. B square means a square into 1 minus e square. Therefore 1 minus e square is equal to b square by a square. This is we need, okay. So now look at there, instead of x we can take it a square and e square. Instead of y we can apply y1. Therefore a square e square divided by a square plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. Again a square cancel means e square plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. Therefore y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1 minus e square. Again y1 square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. Instead of 1 minus e square we can write it b square by a square. So look at there, y1 square is equal to b square into b square divided by a square. Therefore y1 square is equal to b power 4 by a square. Again y1 is equal to plus or minus b square by a. So now we can take it, instead of y1 first positive b square by a, opposite side L dash means negative b square by a. Therefore so L means what is the meaning, AE comma positive b square by a, then L dash means negative AE comma negative b square by a. This is x1 and y1, second term x2 and y2 means the distance formula L dash is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square and y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore square root of x2 means negative AE, that is positive means again negative AE the whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 value negative b square by a, again negative b square by a the whole square. This is square root, the first term will be cancelled, y negative AE and negative AE, isn't it? So x2 minus x1, isn't it? x2 minus x1 means negative AE sorry mate, this is L dash also AE, no, this is only positive, no, therefore we can write it, this is positive AE, negative AE the whole square, cancel it, because this is AE comma, here only positive y1, that is negative y1. Now negative b square by a and as well as negative b square by a means what will happen, this is called negative true b square divided by a the whole square, isn't it? Therefore look at there, negative means 4 b power 4 divided by a square. Therefore if you remove the square root means true b square by a. Already I told you length of lattice rectum meaning true b square by a, we proved also, okay. Find the length of lattice rectum, what is the meaning, that is L dash is equal to true b square by a, okay. So please listen my dear students, if you have any doubt please put in comment box, I am ready to clarify your doubt, okay. I will continue the next session, bye bye.